What's up, mi gente? Today we're gonna be making some Parmesan crusted chicken. Let's go. What you're gonna need for this recipe is some chicken breasts, eggs, panko breadcrumbs, some Parmesan, and some hot smoke paprika. We'll start by dipping our chicken breasts. After lathering on both sides evenly, I began to place them into my air fryer. We'll be setting the air fryer to 400 degrees for 25 minutes. After a 10-minute cook time, we'll be taking them out and flipping them over, setting them back in for the remainder of the time. And look at these amazing, crispy. Pair it with any meal that you'd like.